So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with WindowsStore apps. This one right here, WindowsStore apps, you want to click on this. And now this will come up. Click on advanced. Make sure you have apply repairs automatically selected. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. And now hopefully this will fix your problem. There also might be some steps that come up. You want to follow the steps and then see that fixes your problem. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. You want to right click on it. And then click on app settings. And now you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. And then click on repair. See if that works for you. If repair did not work, then you want to click on reset. And click on reset again. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it. And then click on run as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, I'm going to be leaving 2 commands down below in the description. You just want to copy the first one. Do not copy the second one yet. The second command is in case if the first one fails. So do not copy the second one, just the first one for now. So you want to do Control-C and then Control-V on your keyboard, which is then paste it right here, and then click on enter. And now you're going to wait for this to load. It may take a while. I'm just going to fast forward the video until it's done. And now this has been completed, and I know it's been completed because it says Windows System 32. So once this comes up, Windows System 32 is being completed. Now you just want to restart your computer and then see if that fixes your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head back into Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. And now you're going to paste in the second command. Control-V, click on enter. This command is instant, so then once you put in the second command, you want to restart your computer again. And then now your problem should be fixed.